In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a language from your MacBook device or macOS if you've installed or using a new one and you want to get rid of an old language. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select the General button, and then on the right side, scroll down and select the language and region. And then up at the top, again, you have to have more than one language on your device, of course, and then select the one you want to remove and then the minus sign down there. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.